Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Lumetri Color in Premiere Pro step by step clearly. Launch Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Open an existing project or create a new project. Navigate to the top menu bar and click on Window. In the drop-down menu, select Lumetri Color. If the panel doesn't appear, ensure that it is not hidden behind other panels. You can rearrange the Lumetri Color panel by clicking and dragging it to your preferred location. To begin color grading, select a clip in the timeline. With the clip selected, you will see its properties in the Lumetri Color panel. You can adjust exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks in the Basic Correction section. Explore the Creative section for additional color looks and adjustments. Use the Curves section for more precise color control. You can also utilize the color wheels for adjusting midtones, highlights, and shadows. If you want to save your adjustments as a preset, click on the three dots icon in the Lumetri Color panel. Select Save Lumetri Looks from the options. Name your preset and choose a location to save it. You can easily access your saved looks in the Creative section in future projects. Continue to refine your video using other features available in the Lumetri Color panel. Once you are satisfied with your color grading, close the panel if you wish. You can reopen it anytime by following the same steps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.